basically what I want to just share with you, the thing is that last week we did not have, I think we had I think our expert committee meeting, we didn't have last week. So basically what is happening is, all of you must be knowing there was every time there used to be a question that used to be asked, is that there are no beds available in the hospital as far as COVID management and COVID is concerned. But today I think most of the systems which have been monitored by the Dean, Director DHS, Dr. Utkarsh and all the other doctors are put in place. As mentioned to you that we got a digital dashboard that is available to monitor all the home isolation cases that are there in the state of Goa. As I mentioned earlier, when we launched the pouches, Goa was the only state in the country that had these home isolation kits, and I think it is doing well for us. And most of the people are being monitored. The outreach in terms of the calls is more than 80% for the patients who are under home isolation. And what we have done now is, with the Dean's intervention and Director DHS, Dr. Lisa and Dr. Bandekar and our other team members, is that doctor has also got a group of nearly registered names of 118 third year MBBS students who are now basically trying to help us in reaching out to the patients under home isolation. Along with that, we have got the respective health officers and the ANM and MPHW, plus the third year MBBS students have volunteered. So they are also being given areas, and they are directly under Dr. Utkarsh. And the whole idea is that how best we can provide COVID care in the state of Goa. As things get opened up and as things start opening up, because many times we see that as things get opened up, we should be ready from our side in terms of the best type of care and also the best type of treatment that is given to the people and early detection. In the middle I was testing, slowly it dropped, but now we are again bringing it to a level of around 2,000, 2,300 is what we are bringing it. We are stressing that immediate relatives and other things of the patient who is declared as COVID positive are tested, and immediately their immediate contacts where they have come, all those issues and SOPs have been laid down.
Organizing, when is government giving this permission, is the health minister taken into confidence?
No, where's the question of...
because it's a...
I am reiterating the fact, you can have anything as long as SOPs, there are stringent SOPs in place. And these stringent SOPs are managed by the respective collectors, and other things are properly monitored. And you see, they have to monitor, they have to put certain, when they give the permission, they must ensure that strong SOPs are mentioned in that. So the person who basically has these events ensures that he has the event, but then he also ensures that people are safe.
So basically the one line answer is that the health minister has no say in giving granting.
I never said no say. I am prepared with my systems in place, and also I am saying is that as far as the SOPs are concerned, there are different organizations within the system. Everything is not the health
No, you
ministry.
said that it's not what you...
No, I never said. I said that whenever you have activities, we have to have stringent SOPs in place. It is necessary in today's time to have stringent SOPs in place, and we have to have a monitoring system.
सर वन मोर थिंग सर एक सर जर फाल्यां जर सनबर्न जालो आणि जर स्पाइक वाढली जाल्यार रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोण
Is the health minister of the government?
I am a part of the government.
But you will be responsible?
I am not saying I will be responsible. I am not given permission to myself.
But spike झाले responsible.
Plan to Diwali festival guidelines.
गाईडलाईन असूच जाय न्ही, प्रत्येककडे असूच जाय न्ही गाईडलाईन. आम्ही जसे जसे ओपन जाता, लेट्स पुट इट लाईक दिस. Everybody needs to understand is that still this COVID has not got over. Still you have not found a vaccination for COVID. So you need to be careful. Every family has to be careful. Tomorrow if you ask me whether I am going to go out to a large gathering, I will say no. But now let me put it like this. Yesterday there was a function in my constituency. There were about 70-80 people. मागील से 100 लोक असतले, पण सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग करून बसलेले ते. हॉल बरो व्हडलो, 1,500चा हॉल. त्याच्यात फक्त 100 लोक आशिल्लो. पण आता हांव म्हणू शकना नाही हांव वचना म्हणून फंक्शनाक. वयचें पडटा, पण कित्याक मास्क आनी फेस शील्ड घालून वयचें पडटा.